Bye. Okay, so I gotta back up. I'll back up.
Okay, bye. Bye.
You're supposed to get hit. Oh my gosh!
I'm about to cut you up. Yo, what the hell was that for?
Oh no!
I'm about to cut you up. Yo. Yeah. I'm about to cut you up. Whoa. Yeah. Alright, come on. Are you driving over?
No. Okay, so did that show me driving?
You're gonna go to jail.
Well, I mean, too pretty for jail.
What the heck, man? You hit her? You hit her?
Whoa, no, it was your fault.
What?
It was your fault. Yes, you know you did it.
It was your fault. Your fault. What? No. You better.
I hate that little kid. He was so. Oh my gosh, he's dead.
Tommy got her, and we're scared, okay?
Oh my gosh, hold this, hold this. This is not a laughing matter. I'm really upset. I'm eating all the cookies. Okay. Guys. This is Maggie's phone. It's Maggie's phone. Guys, okay, this party, I don't know what y'all been drinking, but we need to stop. Okay. Maggie was buried with her phone. Like, she was... Oh my gosh, where do we go?
Hey guys.
Gosh, what do we do? They got her. They're gonna get her. Just leave it. Don't worry. Let it go. Oh, you got to stop. Oh my God. Oh my gosh.
I get healed right.
Dead, stupid.
Ah!